my name Tatiana Almagari. I'm student of Astana Medical University, third year general medicine. Now I will show 5 points to for auscultation of heart. This is my patient Yara. Hello Yara. How are you?
I'm from Tunisia.
Okay. First point, 5 intercostal space, nearly to nipple. Okay. Second point, second intercostal space. Here we hear the aortic valve. Another space opposite to second, it's a third space. Okay, and at base of the sternum, the fourth, and Botkin, this one. Here we can hear in mitral valve. Thank you.